Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your Wi-Fi wireless adapter 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, come over this start icon and click on your right mouse button and come over this device manager. After maximize it, and then you will come over these network adapters. And if you come over this Intel dual band wireless, click on that, and then you will come over up to properties. After coming on properties, there will be a window box up. You just need to come over this advanced section and you need to find out preferred band. Here is our preferred band, and you can see our preferred band value is not preference, so it need to set it in preferred 5 GHz band. And if you now click OK, it will automatically set to 5 GHz, and now you need to restart your PC and your problem will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.